We manufacture custom built-to-spec timber fender systems. We supply the timbers, pilings, wales, chocks, and hardware for your project. For most timber fender systems, we supply No. 2 dense and select structural timbers. Through more than 20 years of manufacturing timber fender systems, we've been improving and perfecting the systems and processes needed to ensure your fender system is produced and delivered to meet your unique specifications. For the best longevity in your fender system components, consider polymer-coated timbers and wood components. Our special poly-urea coating is specifically designed for use in harsh saltwater environments. Applied using high heat and high pressure, the exceptional polymer coating binds to wood fibers and encapsulates the wood. It defends your timber fender system from attacks by shipworms, barnacles, erosion, and even UV rays. In addition to polymer treating, your fender system components can be pre-drilled and pre-cut prior to treatment, according to your specifications. Call us or contact us online for more information and quotes on custom timber fender systems and components.